If you are preparing for doomsday, then the Miniwell gravity system is for you. This simple package hides a setup that can save your life in a crisis. The set comes with 2 water containers, one for dirty water and the second for filtered, clean drinking water. This tool is the easiest way to get clean water in nature. Just fill the dirty tank, hang it up and let gravity do the work. The built-in micron filter captures biological and bacterial dirts. There is no need for pumping or extra effort. The main goal is to use the filter in the correct direction, which is marked on the filter itself. Keep in mind that this filter only removes biological dirts. It does not remove chemical poisons or bad taste. However, this water filtration unit is a must-have for your survival bag. I can only hope that the day you actually have to use it never comes.